Drink. Coca-Cola is one of the most popular drinks in the world and many people are often addicted to it. If you are a person who frequently consumes Coca-Cola, we have bad news, since you can suffer very serious effects in your body. That is why this time we are going to share what happens to your body when you consume Coca-Cola. You will see that it is very alarming, and the best thing is that you stop consuming it as soon as possible. Although Coca-Cola is very delicious, it is full of compounds that are harmful to our health, which can be derived in short or long-term effects. By the way, when we drink a 600 milliliters bottle is the equivalent of consuming a total of 10 tablespoons of sugar. This happens when you consume Coca-Cola. At 10 minutes, when our body receives 10 tablespoons of sugar, it has a devastating effect on our body. Fortunately, we did not vomit because of the production of phosphoric acid provided by our body. At 20 minutes, our insulin levels increase. This causes the liver to transform all the sugar into fat. So if you want to lose weight, it is essential to stop drinking soda. At 40 minutes, by this time our body will have completely absorbed all the caffeine that contains Coke. This will cause our pupils to dilate. Our blood pressure increases and the liver releases more sugar into the stream. At 45 minutes, our body begins to produce more dopamine, a substance that is responsible for stimulating our brain pleasure centers. It is said that the effect is compared to that of heroin. At 60 minutes, for this time is likely to make you want to urinate, which seems normal. The problem is that we will be urinating calcium, magnesium and zinc that was intended for our bones, as well as other substances that could not be absorbed by the body. As you spend more time, you are likely to start feeling lazy.